Most reward apps fail for the same reason. They either overload users with low-value tasks, or make withdrawals complicated enough that casual users quit before cashing out. By the end of this, you'll know 5 common reward app types ranked from least useful to most reliable, how each one actually works, and what separates frustrating apps from ones people actually stick with. Start with how this ranking is built. It's based on 3 things: earning consistency, payout reliability, and how fast users realistically reach a withdrawal. So this is about usability, not hype. Rank 5 is aggressive offer-heavy reward apps. These apps push constant offers, but most require time-consuming actions before any meaningful payout is reached, which makes them feel slow in practice. Rank 4 is low-value micro-task apps. These apps give steady tasks, but earnings per task stays small, so users need high volume to see progress. Rank 3 is tap-based gaming reward apps. These apps are easy to use and feel fun at first, but earnings usually depend on long playtime with slow reward buildup. Rank 2 is cashback reward apps. These apps are useful because they reward everyday spending, but they depend entirely on how often you shop, not active earning. Rank 1 is hybrid reward apps. These apps combine multiple systems like surveys, offers, gaming, and cashback, which makes earning more consistent and less dependent on one source. Now here's what actually separates the best apps from the worst ones. Task density matters most. Apps with frequent balanced tasks keep users engaged longer. Withdrawal friction is the second factor. Apps with simple cash-out steps retain users better, even with lower earnings. And balance between effort and reward is the deciding factor. If effort feels too high for the payout, users drop off quickly. So the ranking isn't about who pays the most. It's about who feels usable every day. Summary: reward apps fall into offer-heavy systems, micro-tasks, tap-based games, cashback, and hybrid platforms. Real quality depends on task balance, withdrawal ease, and effort-to-reward ratio. Usability beats complexity. Next step: pick one hybrid or cashback app and compare how often you actually open it after the first week instead of just testing it once. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.